Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fourth class, term 1, subject social. Today we will explain our remaining lesson. What is first lesson? Life in the mountain. You know na life in the mountains what? In previous class we will learn about life in the region and some states names. Okay, today we will explain Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand shares its border with Tibet and Nepal. Apart from the Indian states of Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana, fruits such as apples, oranges, pears, peaches, itches and plum are widely grown, along with crops such as basmati rice, wheat, soya bean and oilseed. Mysore, Nainital and Haridwar attract large number of tourists every year. In Uttarakhand, Tibet and Nepal also very famous. In Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. In this state, fruits such as apple, oranges, pears, peaches, plums grown in this region. And another uh, crops, example crops such as basmati rice, wheat and soya bean and oilseeds also grown in this Uttarakhand region. Mysore, Nainital and Haridwar are attract tourist places in this region. Okay, our next, Sikkim is the second smallest state in India. It is famous for cardamom oranges and rare varieties of orchids that grow here. Some men and women wear a loose gown fastened at the waist. It is called kuhuar bako. In Sikkim is the second smallest state in India. In oranges and rare varieties also grown in here. Some men and women wear loose fastened at the waist. Kuhu Khoar Bako is the famous in this Sikkim state. Now next our state is Arunachal Pradesh is the largest northeastern state. In Arunachal Pradesh, largest in northeastern state. It is known for orchids, fans and Bombay that grow here. Brahmaputra river through the state. In order to protect themselves from floods and water, people in some parts of Arunachal Pradesh live in split houses means you will see this is a split houses. Water will come in down. Now we will stay in here, we will stay safe. See, Arunachal Pradesh is largest northern state. Bombay grow here. In river Brahmaputra flows in Arunachal Pradesh to come. People, in order to protect themselves from floods and water, we will save from floods water. Why? Because that's why we will stay in these houses, tilt houses. Rice, maize, mills and oranges also grown in Nagaland. The Nags wear shawls of different designs. Each Naga tribe has its own unique design. In Nagaland, rice, maize, mills are oranges grown in this region and famous shawls. In shawls, some unique design will be same design means unique. Farming and weaving are the main occupation of people in Manipur. Farming and weaving. Farming means agriculture. Weaving means some handcraft we will use with hands to do some work. They also make beautiful articles from bamboo, cone and leather. Manipur dance is very popular. In Manipur, dance is very popular. Manipur dance is very popular. You will see Manipur dance is very popular in Manipur. Mizoram is a land of hills. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Mizoram is the land of hills. In this region, agriculture is the main occupation. They what here grow? They grow banana, ginger, turmeric, passion fruit and roses. Most people speak Mizo and English. In this region, banana, ginger, turmeric, banana means banana, ginger means the rice, jute and bamboo are the main crops grown in Tripura. In Tripura, rice, jute, maize are main crops grown here. The state is known for handcrafts items made from bamboo. Most people speak Bangla and Kakbrok, Bangla and Kakbrok. Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the country. The name Meghalaya means the abode of cloud. Abode of clouds. Why we will come Meghalaya? Name. Why we will come abode of clouds? People belonging to the Garo, Kashi and Jaintia tribes live here. They grow rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapple and oranges. Shilling is the capital of city and Shillong is the capital city and a popular hill station. In Meghalaya, sugarcane, potatoes, pineapples, oranges also grown here. Shilling is the capital city of Meghalaya. Okay, I hope this lesson you will understand. Your lesson will be completed. Your homework is new words. Glyceris. Your homework is new words. Do homework 2 times. Okay, thank you students.